All right, y'all, I'm back. I told y'all that I would tell y'all before, but I messed around and let some days go by. This is what a family court attorney won't tell you, part 2. Now I'm gonna kind of jump into the meat and bones of it, so I make sure I don't say nothing that I said before. All right, share this video, man. Share this video. Another thing that a family court attorney will not do is tell you your recourse. They will just say to you, oh, you can appeal the judge's decision. See, what an attorney is doing is an attorney has to, like women, they get paid off of confusion. Let's be clear. These individuals get paid off of confusion. So why would they take you into court and secure a settlement? Why? They're not going to do it. So, what a family court attorney, let me reflect a little bit on what I said before. It's the family court attorneys, a family court attorney is where when attorneys go to family court, there it is. When attorneys go to family court, it's normally where they go to say, I'm an attorney, I've been an attorney for 10 years. I've been, and I'm this and I'm that and I'm all these things. And he say, well, where? Family court. And then a person like the late Johnny Cochran, I'm just using him because I don't know any other attorneys. I can say Matlock, but he wasn't real. But when you have a defense attorney record, okay. The next time you get a family court attorney, ask them what their record is. It's the reason why prosecutors and defense attorneys have records. Family court attorneys don't have records. They don't. So, ask a family court attorney, why don't, just ask a family court attorney this, why don't a father get equal time with his child? Why? Ask a family court attorney this. What makes child support the ultimate financial way to raise a child? And if they come with some pretty cool narrative, please allow me. If every month or every 2 weeks or every week, however, whatever child support scale you're on, I pay monthly, I pay weekly, I pay every 2 weeks, okay? Do you feed your child ask whatever pay scale you're on, ask your family court attorney, should I pay my child as I'm paying child support? What do you mean? I'm glad you asked. I get paid every 2 weeks. Do I feed my child once every 2 weeks? I get paid every week. Do I feed my child once a week? No. Okay. So you're putting a child on a system that it's a rational system where you're rationing out the help or support of a dad at that particular time. As opposed to...
You can interrupt voice prompts and speak a command immediately by pushing the talk switch.
Shut up, bitch!
Exiting voice recognition.
Or you can ask an attorney, why can't my financial input on my child be as a needed basis as everything else in life? You don't know when you're going to run out of toilet tissue. You don't know when you're going to be hungry. You can say, based on how I eat, I get hungry every day at 5. Well, if you went running that morning, you're not going to get hungry at 5. That hungry at 5 is going to come down to about 10:30, 11 o'clock. So, why is that system so prevalent to the system of me taking care of my child? They won't be able to answer that. Ask your family court attorney that. Ask a family court attorney, why does a child support order say anything This is what mothers don't want to understand. This is why y'all idiots that pay child support and help your child, y'all some damn idiots. Idiots.com. Don't come to me about but that's my kid. Man, F you, man. That's my kid. You're a child support payer. Add that in the equation of that being your kid. Damn. All right. I cracked myself up. Ask a family court attorney this. Hey, listen. The child support order says anything I do outside this order won't count. So I can't give my child's mom the $100 on my own. Let me just see what time this is. I got a lot of stuff to mail off to clients today. Let's see what's time. Okay, ask your family court attorney this. 6 minutes. Okay, I gotta hurry up. Ask your family court attorney this. How come the child support order, and once again, this is something y'all mothers don't want to understand. This is why if you pay child support outside of child support, give out any financial stuff outside of child support, use a damn dummy. When your kid asks you for something, it's as simply saying is, okay, tell your you need a pair of sneakers for the okie dokie run tomorrow? Okay, well listen, mommy don't want me to do that. Mommy decided that child support is the best way to raise you. So whenever you ask me for money, I have to put it in the child support system, or mommy gonna try to take me to jail for not supporting you. You need to tell your kids that. And all that nonsense about, I don't want my kids to be involved. Your kids are involved. Who you think this is all over? All right, now I gotta rush what I was saying. Got me super duper rushing now. All right, 7:20. All right, you know why the child support order says anything you do outside this order don't count? Because the deadbeat guy does this. He abandons his kids, and then what happens on the 4th of July, he comes around with a pack of hot dogs and say, here's a bag of hot dog, here's a bag of hot dog. And then 2 years later, he say, well, I brought you some hot dogs. And then the mother say, that was 2 years ago. That's why it says that. That one specific stipulation tells you child support is not for fathers. This is why, but mothers go down there and get it for and put it on any individual they want. This is why when you're doing for your child, like a father's supposed to, like a father doesn't have to be told. Let me say that. This is why when you're doing for your child, like a father doesn't have to be told, and all of a sudden a woman wants to adopt the narrative of raising a child via child support, a dad or child support, choose one. I'm gonna show y'all because of the shirts when I get to the damn studio. All right, later, y'all. Remember, text $50 consultation. I'm ready to 732-875-9111. Later.